Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. It feels so good to be back in front of the camera. If you follow me, I guess, on my vlog channel, or where else did I post it? Twitter, Instagram, I don't remember. You know I got my wisdom teeth out, so I am finally pretty healed up, looking better, so now I can finally be in the intro of my videos again. I don't know if any of you guys noticed, I was just kind of MIA from being in my videos but still posting them. I just never showed my face. That's why I had huge cheeks. My cat's going crazy, so if you see her over here, say hi, Luna. Anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 new Instagram hacks that hopefully you haven't seen before and hopefully you can learn something new from it. And for today's video, I decided to do my shout out squad straight from Instagram. So these have been some people who have been interacting with me a lot on Instagram, so make sure to go give me a follow if you want to be featured in my next video, and just because I love chatting with you guys, and let's be real, I'm really trying to work on my Instagram lately. It would honestly mean so much if you guys did go give it a follow. And also I think let's make a giveaway out of it. I just pulled that out of my hat right now. If my Instagram gets to 15,000 followers after posting this video, we're gonna give it a week after this video goes up, and if it gets 15,000 followers, I will have a giveaway for you guys for $100 Visa gift card or something like that, and it'll be exclusive for my Instagram followers. So definitely make sure to give me a follow if you're feeling nice, and let's go ahead and get started with these hacks. Hack number one is formatting your caption. This is something I struggled with for a while to get perfectly. Sometimes my captions, I would be able to space them out and add spaces, and sometimes it wouldn't work and it would be formatted really weird. So a tip that I use is, what I do is after I post my caption and then say I want to enter and leave a space and then post another caption, what I'll do is hit the return button on the keyboard. Now you'll notice sometimes this doesn't work, and what I've realized is if you leave a space after your initial caption and then you click return, sometimes it doesn't work. And also if there's an emoji and then you click return, sometimes it also won't work if you do that. So make sure there's no space, no emoji. So basically I'll do a caption, I'll add a period, an exclamation point, something, or nothing, and then I'll just hit return right after that. Life hack number two is a little more for editing photos. So I like to use Lightroom, and I find myself using it mostly on my desktop computer because I have all my presets on there. And if you don't know what presets are, basically they're almost like pre-bought filters you could buy from almost anywhere. They have them online. You could buy them a lot of your times. Your favorite Instagrammers will sell presets. So I have quite a few presets. You could also make your own. And it's pretty much like a saved filter almost, and then you could just make minor adjustments to your photos and have the same general look. The problem is the Lightroom app on your phone does not let you save your presets. You can sync all your photos from your computer to your phone, but you can't do that with your presets. I really wish they would change that, but there is a workaround to this. Now what you could do is go onto the Lightroom on your computer and choose a photo, any photo. So once you have that photo, you could create multiple copies of it and apply all your different presets to each photo. Then when you sync your computer with your phone, then those photos with all the presets are going to show up on your phone. Then all you have to do is click on the picture of the preset that you want, let it load completely, and then exit out of that and go to the photo that you want to apply the preset to. And on the bottom, scroll all the way over to where it says previous, and then you're going to apply everything from the previous photo. So basically it's going to copy all the edits from the previous photo and put it on that. This isn't as flawless as using it on the desktop, but if you want to edit on the go, this is the really only fix to do. So for hack number three, on your Instagram stories, when you're typing out your text, you can pretty much choose from whatever color you want. It's not limited to the options Instagram gives you. All you have to do is press and hold on those options, and it's gonna open up a variety of rainbow colors you could choose from, and it's pretty much any color imaginable. So you could really customize this to however you want. Hack number four is going to go right off of that, and you could actually choose the exact color that you want your text box to be. So of course you have your text, and then you have the text box that surrounds it. So I do this a lot when it comes to my slime Instagram, and I like to match the text box to the color of the slime so it looks very cohesive and it looks like it goes together and it matches. So to do this, all you have to do is select the color for the text box, and you want to choose the little dropper. From there you could just click and drag wherever you want the dropper to be, and that will pick up that color color and make the text box that exact same color. So this is perfect for matching the text box to different colors in your actual photo so it goes together really nicely. Hack number 5 is a simple way to create a solid background on your story. So you don't have to sit there and actually color the whole background or type a letter and blow it up. All you have to do is take a photo of anything. It's not going to matter because it is going to get covered up completely by the color. You're going to click on the pen and select whatever color you want your background to be. Again, going back to the very beginning, you could choose any color just by holding on the color, and then it's going to pop up with the whole color wheel. And then all you have to do is hold it down, and it's going to make your whole background turn your chosen color. So you don't have to sit there and paint it, it'll just do it all for you. Hack number 6 is all about highlights. So if you haven't heard of the new highlights feature on Instagram, it's a very useful tool for stuff you want people to see when they first come to your Instagram feed. For example, we're gonna look at my slime Instagram, and I recently did a restock. So what's great about the highlight is I could keep that on my profile for as long as the restock is going. I could keep it on as long as I want. And as I restock new slimes, I can change them out interchangeably if things get sold out or whatever. You can create a highlight either by clicking the new button that's gonna be right next to your current highlights, or you could go up to your archive button in the upper right hand corner, which looks like a little clock almost. And basically the archive has everything you've ever posted on your story. So you could select anything you want and go ahead and post it as a highlight. You could delete them, you could rearrange them as needed. So you can get really creative with your highlights and what you want to showcase on your Instagram. Hack number 7 is going to be all about templates, which is kind of a new trend going around on Instagram that you've probably seen. And what these are is basically people will post these in their stories, and they're like a get to know me. They have questions or circle one or the other and you choose your answers. It's an open space, they leave a blank space, or you could circle it or whichever. And there are so many templates out there. You could usually go to some of your favorite bloggers, and in their highlights they'll have some templates that you could just screenshot and save, and that's how you upload them to your story to share your answers with everybody. You could also create your own templates, and I would recommend using something like PicMonkey, where you can make your own background and then choose your text, and then don't forget to add your Instagram handle at the bottom, especially if you want people to be using them. It's going to help share your Instagram as well. Hack number 8 is a cool new feature that Instagram just released, so maybe some of you haven't heard about it yet, and you could basically follow different hashtags. So if you find yourself always searching for certain hashtags and looking at what's popping up, you could just go ahead and follow that hashtag, and Instagram is going to be showing you the top posts from that hashtag, and it'll also show you their stories as well. So it's really cool and also really useful for you, because if you use the hashtag in your post as a top post, it's going to be seen by everyone who has chosen to follow that hashtag. So I think that's really cool. I think Instagram's really like pushing the hashtag right now, because you could also now add hashtags to your bio so people can find you through your hashtags in your bio, which is also a really new feature, which I think is pretty cool and just a better tool for more people to find you. So going off my last hack, hack number 9 is going to be for tag docs. This app is great. I'm going to link the name of it down below. Not sponsored. None of these apps are sponsored. It's just what I use. And basically this allows you to download a keyboard to your phone, and you can do this through your settings. If you have an emoji keyboard, you probably already know how to do this, or a Bitmoji keyboard. It's the same concept. It's just adding a keyboard to your rotation of keyboards, and then you go onto Instagram and you pull up that keyboard, and it's going to help you generate like the most popular tags that you're looking for. I think this is a lot easier than going out and searching for popular hashtags on your own, which I have done in the past, and of course you could still do and add those into the mix if you see a certain hashtag might be really relevant to you. So this is just a little trick to help speed up that process and find some more relevant hashtags. And last but not least, hack number 10 is how I like to organize my pictures before I post them. Now, I used to do this in VSCO Cam way back when. They changed an update like probably a year ago, and I stopped using it because I could no longer see like a grid feed on how my Instagram pictures are gonna look together and see if they look cohesive. So I had to go searching for something else. Some people make a whole fake Instagram, and basically it's just a privated Instagram where they could arrange their photos whichever way they like. I don't like that because you can't click and drag it. Once you post it, you would have to delete it, post another picture, delete it until you find the right kind of arrangement that makes your photos look nice together. So what I use is an app called Snug. Now, unfortunately, this isn't a free app. It's just the best one I could find that I use all the time. I think I might have paid like 99 cents for it, so it wasn't a lot or anything like that. So basically, it pulls up your current Instagram feed with all your current pictures, and then you can add your own pictures that you haven't posted yet and arrange them to see which ones flow better, all you have to do is click and drag to arrange them. I would like to know what you guys use, if you use any certain apps, because if you have some free recommendations, let me know so I can let you guys know in the future. But currently this is what I use, and unfortunately it's not a free app. I do like to recommend free apps for you guys, but it does work well, it gets the job done, and the good thing is it saves it. You don't have to keep adding it every time you log into the app. All your progress is still on there, so I think that's really beneficial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you learned something new and you want me to keep doing these. And also, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I might be having a giveaway on there if we get to 15,000 followers. So that would mean so much. And I love interacting with you guys on there. You could go ask me questions. I see those comments a lot better. There's a lot fewer comments than on YouTube, so I could get to them a lot quicker and easier than if it was just on YouTube. So definitely make sure to go check that out if you're feeling like it. And also, if you missed my last videos, as always, they're on over to the side of me, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!